Hi everyone, it's DeSelvi 2008 and this is my comment entry announcement for my last contest that I was holding. It was for the 500 subscribers Harajuku Kawaii Contest. So I am still working on the video entries. There were so many and I just, I'm having a hard time trying to decide. But anyway, I wanted to get this video out and let you know who the entry winners are. So the first question I asked was, what is the max amount of money you would spend on a bottle of nail polish? The least amount said was $2 and the highest amount was 20. And if I averaged them all out, it came out to $7.86, which is about reasonable. And then the next question I asked was, what color were you most drawn to? And the most mentioned was pink. And the winners, I had to choose them randomly, of course. I used the class tools. Unfortunately, there were some that were not subscribed and I had to re-choose and delete. But these were the prizes. This is for the first comment winner. Congratulations to Cat Mit Skit. And this is for winner number 2. These are the prizes. Again, I use the class tools for the random winner, and it is Lou's Steph Lou. She's winner number 2. Congratulations. Again, the video winners are in process. I'm still having a hard time choosing, so thanks for waiting. I should have the winner by next week. I wanted to give a special thank you again to my early birds. These are the ladies that submitted their entries pretty quickly. Here they are, and they all sent me their contact information already, so they will be getting their prizes this week. I will be mailing it out, and here is what they will be getting. I will be selecting the prizes randomly, and each of them will get at least one item from this selection of prizes. So it's a mixture of makeup, lip glosses, and fashion jewelry. So thank you so much. So thanks again for watching. Congratulations to all the winners. Be sure to send me your contact information by Friday, June 10th. This is for the comment winners. If I don't hear from you, then I'm going to have to reselect for another winner. So stay tuned for the video contest winners. I should have that video up next week. So congratulations again, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.